Hello everyone, how are you? This class is for H3 and the topic is today vowel sounds from phonetics and the course is Introduction to Linguistics. Vowel, one of a class of speech sounds in the articulation, of which the oral part of the breath channel is not blocked and is not constricted enough to cause audible friction. The word vowel comes from the Latin word vocalis, meaning vocal, relating to the voice. In English, the word vowel is commonly used to refer both to vowel sounds and to the written symbols that represent them. Monophthong. A monophthong is a pure vowel sound, one whose articulation at both beginning and end is relatively fixed and which does not glide up or down towards a new position of articulation. Wikipedia. So, monophthong is a single pure vowel sound. While pronouncing a monophthong, the position of the mouth and tongue remain fixed. So, there is no movement of the mouth or tongue during monophthong. Monophthongs are pure or single vowels according to which part of the tongue is held highest in process of production. The vowels can be distinguished as front vowels, center vowels and back vowels. Classification of English vowels. Vowel sounds are classified according to the position of tongue in the mouth, the openness of the mouth, the shape of the lips and length of the vowels. The position, according to the position of the tongue in the mouth, there are front vowels, the ones in the production of which the front part of the tongue is raised the highest, such as E, A. When the central part of the tongue maintains its highest position, the vowels thus produced are central vowels, such as A. If the back of the tongue is held in the highest, the vowels thus produced are back vowels, such as oo. The openness of the mouth. Closed vowels are e, oo. Semi-closed vowels are a. Semi-open vowels are a. Open vowels are a, a. The shape of the lips. Rounded vowels. All the back vowels in English are rounded except a. Unrounded vowels. All the front vowels and central vowels in English are unrounded. That is, the lips are spread. The length of vowels. Long vowels. They are usually marked with a colon, such as e, a. Short vowels. Other vowels in English are short vowels, such as a. Now look at the diagram. Look at the top of the diagram. It is written horizontal position of the tongue, and according to our tongue, the front side, the central and back, and vertical position of the tongue is high, mid, low, and the openness of the mouth is close, half close, mid, half open, open. So here is the dot. Red dot are rounded and black dot are unrounded, and colon means long vowels. So look at the front closed vowel is long vowel E, and half closed front vowel is E, and half open front vowel is A, and open front vowel is A. And now go to the back vowel. The closed back vowel is oo. Closed back vowel is short oo. Half closed is o. And then in the central there is a shua, and mid vowel another is a. Another half open vowel is a, and back open vowel is a. For your understanding, here I gave a chart equivalent to our Bangla sound, so you can understand which sound is producing what type of Bangla, nearly Bangla. So there are 12 monophthongs. Look at the phonetic symbol E, that is Roshui in example sit, and E, that is long A, in Bangla it's Dirghui, sit. and U last in Bangla is shu, like pull. And U, that is long U, in Bangla it is dirghu, pull. Then A, in Bangla A sound, and the word is bed. And A, the Bangla A sound, and the word is bed. Then shwa, it is a very short shwa, and the example is about. Then is O, like port. Then R, like mother. Then A is first. Then A, then hut. And A is heart. English diphthongs. Diphthongs are a combination of two vowel sounds which takes some duration of time of a single long vowel. While we produce diphthongs, the tongue moves from one vocalic position to another. English has 8 diphthongs. They are divided into 2 types, centering and closing diphthongs. Look at the diagram. Centeric diphthongs ending in schwa. The sounds are ea, ea, ua. Close, that is ending in e. The sounds are I, a, oi. And closing is ending in u. The sound is o and ow. Closing diphthongs. The diphthongs are a, I, oi. Here the tongue moves to the e, that is our front vowel e. Look at the diagram. It is a half close a sound to e, that is a. Then central vowels are to e, it's I, and the back vowel o, and the tongue moves to e, so the sound is oi. Closing diphthongs. Here it end in u. The diphthongs are o and ow. The tongue moves to u. Look at the diagram. From the schwa, the tongue moves to u, and the central vowel a, the tongue moves to u. So the sound is ow. Centering diphthongs. The diphthongs are ia, ea, ua. Here the tongue moves to schwa. Look at the diagram. The close front vowel e to tongue moves to a. So ia. Back close vowel is u. Tongue move to a. So ua. And half open vowel is a, and it moves to a. So ea. Now here the characteristics. Ia. The glide begins in the position for E and moving down and back towards A. The lips are neutral but with a small movement from spread to open. As in bear, bear, fair, pierce, in, hair, idea. Characteristics ua. The glide begins in the position for u, moving towards and down towards a. The lips are loosely rounded, becoming neutrally spread, as in sheer, more, tour, obscure. Ia. The glide begins in the position for a and moving back towards a. The lips remain neutrally open, as in where, chair, there, steer, there. Now, closing diphthongs ending in e. A. The glide begins in the position for a and moving up slightly back towards e. The lips are spread, as in cake, way, say, pain, they, vain. Oi. The glide begins in the position for o, moving up and forward towards e. The lips started open and rounded and changed to neutral, as in toy, avoid, voice, enjoy, boy. Then I. The glide begins in an open position between front and center, moving up and slightly forward towards E. The lips move from neutral to loosely spread. The words is like high, tie, buy, kite, might, cry, I. Now closing diphthongs ending in U. Ow. The glide begins in the position for A, moving up and back towards U. The leaves are neutral but change to loosely rounded. The words is go, snow, toast, home, hello, although. Then ow. The glide begins in position quite similar to A, moving up towards U. The leaves start neutral with a movement to loosely rounded. The glide is not always completed as the movement involved is extensive, like house, loud, down, how, bow. So here is the summary of short vowels and long vowels and diphthongs. Monophthong number 1 E. Sheep lip myth. A. Bed said head. A. Cat pan ant. A. Cut bung some. A. Pot hot arch. U. Put shoot wood. Shua. Stray again a tomato. Then monophthongs number 1 in long vowel. B. C. Meal. A. Burn warm turn. A. Arm half car. O. Order low coat. U. Shoe shoe boot. Now come the diphthongs. Ea. Queer here near. Ea. Square there stair. Ua. Near share manure. A. Daily make lay. I. My try shy. Oi. Noise boy oyster. O. No toe o. Ow. Now trout bow. Number 6. Cupboard. Number 7. Religion. Number 8. Swing. Number 9. Sugar. Number 10. It has two pronunciation. One is dilemma, another is dilemma. The first one is dilemma and the second one is dilemma. Today up to this, still if you have any question or any kind of confusion, do comment in the comment section. Thank you everyone.